Okay guys, we're going to build an explosion box now. Oh, pardon me. We're going to take our biggest cross, plus, what have you. And we're going to take our next smallest one, our middle one. And it's easier for me if I fold all the flaps in and just make it a square. Put my adhesive on the bottom. And then center it into the biggest middle square. You can make your gaps in between each a lot smaller. I am not having like this full explosion box. I'm just having a semi-boom box. I'm going to take my smallest one and do the same exact thing. That in the middle-ish. Not too concerned about it being exactly in the middle. Oh, sorry about that. And this is my little box that's going to go in the middle to hold my candle. Now, y'all, this candle, I found it this summer at Target, and I mean, it's not a candle, it's lip gloss. I'm sorry. And I love it. Look at the unicorn. It's so cute. Cute. You take this little sticky part off the bottom and it opens up and it's lip gloss. Ah! How phenomenal is that? I love it. So that is what's going in here, and I used Fitted Frames B to cut this part out, and I used the one that goes right there. It's over here under what is that thing called? Die cut machine, my Big Shot. Duh. Okay, Kelly. You have words, use them. So I'm going to pull off this tape. I used 1/8" score tape to adhere this because it is going to be holding the unicorn gloss. And unlike my friend Allison, my nails are recovering from an acrylic dip I did almost a year ago. Almost a year. So they're coming back, but slowly but surely. So this goes straight in the middle. Put that down. You may have to wiggle depending on what size. I knew mine was just a little bit small for the opening, but not too much, and that's where my unicorn's gonna go. And then my box is gonna close. Like this. And we're going to put the top on it. And when you open it, it's gonna roll out. After I work it and decorate it and all that kind of good stuff. So I will show you the final project. I am going to decorate both sides of each square with pattern paper. Okay, I'm back, and each side has a little piece of pattern paper on it. I just thought this pattern paper was cute and jovial to go with the unicorn lip gloss. And now I have, I believe, one of each of the images that I got and sayings that I got from Sam Pendis from each stamp set, and they are going to find their homes on this each little panel, and I'll be back after that's done. Okay, here it is all decorated. This is the top. I used the skull, the sugar skull from the Stampinda set sugar skull. I'll have all the sets linked in the blog post and measurements and all that. I chose to leave the outside sides plain, just with some pattern paper, so that when my recipient opens it, she's got a surprise on the inside. Yay, unicorn lip gloss. And then we have the rose from the Sugar Skull set, some pumpkins, hats, little monsters. Don't be afraid to mix and match those sets, guys. Those my cute little monsters are wearing witch hats, and I think it's the cutest. So there you have the mini explosion box. Mini boom. Thanks, guys. Bye.